Okay, paunang mensahe po ninyo. We have Sky Dancer, Surrender. Ayan, we have number 48. So, Gemini, this is an invitation para sa'yo na it's about time na for you to surrender. It's about time na for you to just go with the flow with life. Kasi baka dati, no, napagod na kayo, nai-stress na kayo because maybe you are insisting kung ano yung gusto ninyo, maaring pinipilit ninyong mangyari ang gusto ninyong mangyari. Kaya maaring, 'di ba, may stress na, no, na nag-accumulate sa sarili ninyo. And it's better if you just surrender to God, surrender to the natural ebb and flow of life. Kasi with that, mapapansin ninyo na magiging stress-free ka. Kapag inaalay mo ang lahat-lahat, no, sa universe, mararamdaman mong kaygaan, ng inyong pakiramdam, kaygaan ng inyong sitwasyon. Okay? Mas magiging masaya ka, no? Rather than ikaw yung nagpipilit, no, ng mga bagay na gusto mong mangyari kahit hindi po pwede, pinipilit mo, yung ganon, so may stress ka lang. But if you surrender it to God, and you surrender it to the natural level flow of life, makikita mo, no, na things are going to flow smoothly. Maaaring kung ano talaga yung pinipilit mo, kung yan talaga ay para sa'yo, and that's part of the divine plan, magugulat ka na lang, it will happen, diba? Kasi alam naman nating lahat, no, na yung universe ang binibigay niya sa atin ay kung ano makakabuti para sa atin, ano yung best para sa atin, and according to His time, no, according to His timing. Kaya kahit anong pilit natin, kung talagang hindi ukol, hindi bubukol, diba? So, what else? We have surrender to what is. Ayan na nga, surrender energy. Flow with what is instead of fighting it. When you can change a situation, compassionately accepting it exactly as it is will bring you peace. Diba? Kung talagang ipipilit natin, kung ipipilit ninyo, diba? Kung hindi naman dapat, hindi kailangan, hindi tama, at talagang hindi rin mangyayari, so it will just cause stress and chaos sa buhay mo. 'Di ba? Mas lalong hindi lang magiging maganda ang sitwasyon, mas lalo lang magiging mahirap, no, ang sitwasyon para sa iyo if you're going to insist. Kaya just surrender to what is, 'di ba? Embrace na lang natin kung ano nangyayari. 'Di ba? Ialay nating lahat sa Panginoon, and let's just surrender and let's follow kung ano yung gabay niya para mapunta tayo sa tama, mapunta tayo sa kung ano ang dapat. So, by the way, I would like to say hi and shout out sa ating beloved channel member na si Alexander Turalba 377.